back to my channel. My name is Alexei. So if you just tuned in, this is Lizzy TV. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Like guys, we are 1 point something K subscribers. You guys made it happen. I am so happy. I am so much excited. I am so super excited. I appreciate your love and your support. Thank you very much for always stopping by my channel. So today guys, I want to use this opportunity, this medium, to encourage some of us who are still thinking about starting up your YouTube channel this 2020, or you've already started up and you've already given up or you're trying to give up. This is me encouraging you. This is me telling you to don't give up, brace up, don't give up, just grind more, hang in there. The best is yet to come. Like when I started, I was like, God, when am I going to get up to 1,000 subscribers? When am I going to get up to 500 subscribers? But look at me today. I have more than 1,000 subscribers. So this is just an encouragement for us not to give up. And again, I want to also use this medium again I got a new tripod stand, so I said let me show my family members my new gadgets. Guys, I've been filming randomly with anything I see. My phone has fallen down like a couple of times, and I don't know, it has even broken my screen. So today guys, I got a new tripod stand. I say why not show my family members my new gadgets. So, and again, I'll be leaving maybe the clip or maybe the picture of how I've been filming my setting. I'll be leaving the picture maybe somewhere after this video, or at the end of this video I'll be leaving like a picture of what my setting looks like previously, before I got a tripod stand. So guys, I'll show you. I've already set up this tripod stand now. I've already set it up now. This is the packet. It came in this carton. I've already unboxed it, and it's a tripod 3110. It has a 3-way head, built-in level. It has a 3-way head, built-in level, 4-sec aluminum legs, and a quick lever lock. Guys, I've already set this thing up, and it came with this remote control. It has an option of, if you're filming with camera, this is the button for it. If you're filming on your Android, this is the button. These buttons is just for you to enable you start up filming. Like you set your tripod stand very far from you, you can use this remote control to, if you press it, it will start filming, and if you press it again, it will stop filming. The essence is for you to control it while you're afar. So guys, I am so happy I got this tripod stand. Guys, you don't know the trouble I've gone through while filming. There were some times that my phone fell on the ground and it almost broke. And in fact, I think while I was filming the other time, the phone fell and broke. It was heartbreaking. But that is the struggle of a small YouTuber, you know. But with time, I am going to get some of the gadgets that will enable me to film my videos smoothly. So guys, what do you think about my tripod stand? I am filming with it now, and it looks super good. I love it, I must confess. I won't be going through the trouble of setting up all these books and chairs and all tables and all what's not. So guys, if you are still thinking about starting up a YouTube channel, this is an opportunity for you to start up. Don't wait, just start with anything you have. You can start filming with your phone. I am still filming with my phone. I know that with time I'll still get a camera, you know. So guys, what do you think about my tripod stand? For me, I love it. I so much love it. Though it's small, but you know, it can still serve the purpose because I am still filming with my Android. Okay guys, and again, there is a new development on my channel. Most of you that some of you say I see your picture on this on the screen. Please, that picture is a subscribe button. If you're watching my video on full screen or you're watching on your PC, there is a picture on down below. You see my picture there. That picture is a subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can just click um, on that picture and you subscribe, and then you turn on your post notification so that once I upload a new video, you will get notified on time. So guys, that's all. Just want to show you my new tripod stand, and it's a good news. And also want to thank my subscribers and my potential subscribers. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, support your girl now. What are you still waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Now let me know what you think about my new tripod stand. Guys, keep staying safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.